That was awesome. Yeah, oh, it has been so muddy. Is this stuff, you probably need to move all the, this is heavy, like really heavy.
Well, we got coming in there heavy.
All right, let me take these stickers off then. Let me put this, let's get some lights on in here. Too big?
Ain't gonna fit. That's 33. Well, we got 35, I think.
Far back's it gotta go?
Ain't gonna make no go higher. Let it shut in here this way.
Yeah.
Let's see. What's the new one?
The width is 35.
About 36.
Yeah. You can barely fit 34 in there.
Yeah.
36. That's a 3 foot.
Yeah. John told me what the big one inside was high, but he didn't tell me what the smaller big one.
Yeah.
Well, we put it in set this way. You do cabinet work or something like that?
I don't use this cabinet at all. Like literally, I've got
You might take a cabinet and cut it, and take a cabinet on the wall, then you turn around and push it back in there.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I'll knock that cabinet off the
Yeah,
wall.
knock it one out, take it one out. You did it later on, you wanna. And we can cut it right in here from there.
Alright, let me take my stickers off at least.
Now this fridge has a water hook to it too.
For the ice box, but I don't know where that's hooked at. Because I got two different plugs. I got a plug there and a plug here.
We ain't gonna take the water loose. We just gonna take the whole valve off. And then leave the valve back out. Cause the one got ice in it too.
Alright. Well, I was just letting you know when we go pull this out, it's got water on it. Well, you know it's got water on it.
Yeah. Yeah, move that. Move it up here.
Alright, move those turtles, Michael, out of my way.
I ain't know John had a house up here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this first time I've been to this one. I've been to most of them that we got. This first time I've been to this one. I told Jeff, I ain't know John had a house.
Yeah, his, his daughter or something, Sarah, is the one doing the rental stuff for it. Because I think her grandma lived here or something, a Samantha or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That thing's heavy. The freezer's gonna be bigger. I just hope it doesn't look too ridiculous trying to.
I get a valve, I'm gonna take the whole valve off. That way we don't have to cut the water off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Oh, you do it.
You don't realize how big it is till you like move something.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We'll set the one in the front one day. Yeah, when we get the other one out, we'll put the one on the truck. This one heavier than the big one.
Is it?
Leave it here.
Can you take a broom and sweep under there and see if it's waterlogged and stuff?
I said it.
So the front door was taken off to fit the fridge. I've never seen that before, but this is fun.
It's a big fridge.
It's a big fridge. I've never seen one this big. That's a big fridge. Oh gosh. I think takes up the whole doorway. Alright, that's officially the biggest fridge I've ever seen in my life.
You turn there.
Motor's different.
Hang on to you. Go ahead, go ahead. Go like you're going in the spot. All right, right here. Set it down.
They come with an instruction booklet. Goodness.
Right? Cord.
That's as big as me. It's bigger than me. What's the brand of it? What's it called?
To Kenmore.
What a mess.
Hold it right there.
What does Kenmore think? People have big houses or something?
Light on?
Yep.
All right.
That's a pretty sound. My kitchen's gonna look just a little bit different. I think I can manage.
All right. All right, get the room, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
These go on a specific one.
Yeah. I think it might not be. Might be turn it upside down, turn the other one all the way.
Does it have an ice maker in it?
I just bring them in. You tell them. Let's see here. You don't want to go that way, I believe. Ice maker every water.
That thing is massive.
That's great, isn't it?
That was awesome.
What am I thinking about? Oh, boy. Yeah, he's like,
I was gonna wait till you got that one out the door just to make sure.
Yeah.
yeah.
We still gotta put the door back on. We still gotta put the front door back
Yeah,
on.
I was gonna wait till that one gets out and then I'll put the door on.
Yeah,
Okay.
hold that door down now. That's what this one is.
Zay, this thing is like 3 times the size of you. They had to put it in sideways because it doesn't fit that way.
Doesn't fit normally.
No.
So I guess we have a hiding spot back there now.
That's not gonna open all the way. I'm gonna have to scoot it maybe, because this is gonna block me. That's big.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
I will figure it out. How long is the cord on this thing? Which means I can move everything down this way. That's gonna have to go somewhere else. I have to rearrange my kitchen now.
Ready? Come on.
Does it shut better? Last time you had to like push it shut. Alright, can we move this way a little? We move the storage rack. If you're strong enough. No, leave that. We just moved the storage rack. This needs to go down without unplugging it. Because I got to be able to get into the fridge.
Water's not hooked up to it yet.
As long as I can get into the freezer, because it's got that big old thing in the freezer door
All right.
that if you go to open it, it like hits the...
And you can raise it up too if it's down too far.
Okay.
This one right here.
Yeah,
If it's down too far, you can raise up one.
that works.
All righty.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you. the best Christmas present so
You get more
far.
stuff in this one than you had in the other one.
Oh yeah.
You'd be
Plus-
surprised how much stuff I stock up on too.
Yeah,
I love
had
to
ice
cook.
maker in this one in the way. Ice maker in this one hanging on made on the door.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Alrighty.
I could probably fit my pots and pans in the corner.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah,
got a
y'all
little
had
cubby
it too.
hole going on back there.
Yeah, y'all had it 2 days ago. I got that morning. Look out door and what? I did start raining at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock what?
Uh-huh.
5 o'clock in the evening, man.
See, that's better. I like it when it can open all the way.
Yeah.
That's much better.
Yeah.
And my pots and pans, I can easily fit in the back corner with the trash can right in front of it. I
There
can
you go.
arrange it all that way easily.
There you go.
I love it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Best Christmas
You
present.
almost put this in there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
That would almost fit up in that hornet.
I probably can't use the bottom two shelves. I probably can't reach it. You got it? You still got a good, like, 4 inches.
I'm trying to judge this cord too.
Oh, okay.
It might not have 4 inches, but
Careful.
yeah, that's
Yeah, you're pulling on it now.
as
So
much as
don't
she's
pull it
gonna
too
give
far.
me. Unless we
Alright.
get like a surge protector or something to put back there so
Yeah,
that it
so it won't
doesn't get
happen
taken
again.
by a surge.
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
a good idea.
All right, kiddo, y'all enjoy.
All right, thank you.
very much.
Yeah, we gotta let it get to room temperature and then cool on its own and then wipe down everything. Let me grab this and see what I can do with this. So like now when I walk into the kitchen, it's like really weird. Well, aside from all the mess all over the floor, but my space has just been kind of cramped a little here.
Transformed.
It just, I don't know. It feels weird. Well, probably minus all the junk I need to clean out of the floor now. Gavin's walking funny. Weirdo. He ain't right in the head. But what I've done is, so far, I've put the other rack over here because I can fit through here. So I can get like my pots and whatever I need to just grab that is extra storage over here. And I could probably put the trash can like right there. I don't know. We still have to get the water cord to go all the way around. I need all these dishes done. I need to take all this trash and burn it. It's just a mess. This kitchen is a mess.
And it's 'cause
I tried to stay organized, but it didn't work.
You don't see me.
Right? So we've got the storage rack pulled out to the part where the hallway ends. I Swiffered the floor, straightened up best I can. I still have to clean those two. Did those dishes. I put the other storage rack back here for my pots and pans, the trash can, water bottles, paper towels, etc., etc. We've got this huge refrigerator going on here. And I thought I would lose some floor space, but it still looks pretty decent. Do you like the fridge, Bubs?
Sure.
Sure. It's huge. Does it feel weird having it in here? Turn sideways like this? Just a little bit.
I'm invisible.
You can hide in the corner now. Silly Zane.
I
I don't know. I like it. We'll see how well I get used to it. We still have to hook up the water thing for the ice. We have to get a longer cord, and I want to get a surge protector this time for the fridge. So if we lose power again, I don't want to mess with it. That thing's like a foot taller than you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.